Hi everybody, welcome back, and this is yet another reading, and my throat is bad so I cannot talk loudly. I will try to be as loud as possible, but yes, I'm not going to say much before we start the reading. I was just going to say the meeting, so I'm just going to start with the reading. I've got your cards here, and we are going to do this is for fire signs: Aries, Leo and Sagittarius, and we're going to see how September is going to be for them. So let's see how September will be for you guys. And like I said, this is for Aries, Leo, and Sagittarius. So these are the fire signs. So I'm going to put the cards towards you. So this is go outside. It's come upright, wanting to go outside, wanting to be outside, wanting to be with friends. In September, you would want to be with people. It's time to, take on things, take on projects. It's also time to, tune in with, get in tune with nature. Also, I feel, that will make you more powerful once you, get in tune with nature. And I also feel that just get in also in tune with your habitat, being comfortable where you live, being comfortable around the people is what I get. So there's a magical gateway for you guys. That's a beautiful card. This is also nice. It says go outside, and this is a magical gateway almost opening up for you. Things are going to be pretty magical for the fire signs, is what I get. I also see that fire signs will also be dealing with an air sign and earth sign. I don't see a water sign right now here. That's what I don't get in the messages. Neither do I pick up in the card. But something beautiful is coming your way. Something. A door is opening. It's like an opportunity opening which you never thought will come your way is going to come your way. Something is going to surprise you in September. So there are good things coming your way, guys. Remember to knock on that door. That door is right for you, and there is a magical opportunity. I want to use the word magical because there is a magical gateway. So something magical is going to open up for you, and I want you to step there boldly, without even looking back or thinking too much, because that gateway is opening for you. I feel it will open for 3 to 4 days in September. I get more of, I get 8th to 9th or 8th to 14th are the dates that I get. So remember, this is not a specific reading. This is a general reading, might or might not resonate. So I feel the doorway is going to open for a lot of you at different times in September, different dates in September, and you must take a bold step towards that opportunity, because there are rewards in that opportunity. Also, the card of wisdom came here, so a lot of beautiful cards, and it's also you'll be acting much more wiser. It's not just in relationships, in jobs, in business, in projects. The way you communicate with people, even in the family, you'll be seen as the wiser one. People will come to you for advice. I feel you are also the wiser one in the family. Even if you're the younger one, people do keep coming you for advice. And I feel just use your inner wisdom, experiences that you've gathered all throughout all your life, and that's going to come to your rescue in the month of September. So it's a beautiful reading for fire signs, Aries, Leo, and Sagittarian. They're good cards that came out. So let's see one more fairy card. Believe in magic. That's awesome. So there are very good messages for you guys. So your fairy godmother or your guiding spirits or whoever you believe in, they are saying go outside, connect with nature, believe in magic, believe in your wisdom, believe in yourself, believe in your experience. There is a magical gateway opening for you, and I feel magic will happen in your life. You just have to believe in magic. Like I said, you won't even believe that opportunities are opening, for you. They'll be just right in front of you. They'll be all around you. So this is a beautiful, reading, and great things will come your way in September. So let's see what are the other cards saying. I'm going to put these cards away, and let me see. I want to take this card. This is your on one side it is the guiding spirit animal. I don't know if you can see it. On the other side it is all about the crystals and stones. Like the other side is different here. So these cards are new. I've been using them in my reading. Let's see what is your guiding crystal. What is your guiding stone saying to you? Let me see. What is your gemstone guardian saying to you? A lot of cards came. I just want to take out one card and see what is your guiding gemstone right now. So it says lodestone, and I'm going to read it out. You can admire and look at your guardian gemstone or your guiding gemstone, and I'm going to read what it says. it says, what are you drawing into your life? What things are you getting into your life, or what things are getting drawn into your life? Are you getting alerts or warnings to pay attention? Also in September, this might be a message for you that just pay attention to things, that probably are escaping your eye, or you probably are not looking that way, or there is a warning, there are red flags. Normally you're not paying attention to it, so maybe this is just to be careful in September. It also says you may be receiving prophetic or predictive indicators of things to come. So like I said, it's a magical gateway, magical things will come to you. You will also either get warned about it, that things are not right, or could also be, receiving, there'll be indications of things coming your way. You will know good things are coming your way, whatever is coming your way. There are many ways to hear and learn. So take notice and remember that a warning isn't always a negative thing. So that's beautiful. So don't worry, it's a warning and it's always not a negative thing. Normally we take warnings as a negative thing. We don't when we say, this is a warning or that's a warning there, or we always think it's a negative thing, but I think something positive is happening, because you got beautiful fairy cards in the beginning, and this one is also saying that probably you have to just see in detail, or see properly, or be very focused in what's right and what's wrong, and address it before it goes too wrong or it becomes a major problem. So that's what your guiding gemstone was, and those were the messages for you. Let me see what are the other cards saying for you. Almost feeling like a queen, owning something, being on top of things is what I get. Is it's also somebody who's very brilliant. I think you're very intelligent. You use a lot of wisdom, like I want to say, very smart. I want to say street smart. I want to use those words. Also, in one way, you are very motherly. You have that motherly feeling. People see you like that. And you're also very soft and gentle. So it's also being top of things. It's also, I feel that one of you is going to have a baby, or has got the news of a baby. It's just in the beginning of September that you got the news of the baby, or you're really wanting a baby, because I see this woman like a mother almost knitting something for the baby. Probably you're going to deliver your baby in winters, and you did buy woolens for your baby, or you started putting clothes together for your baby, is the kind of message that I get. In the beginning we did have a wisdom card. This one is also asking you to look at things wisely, and it says 9, and it's about September. So look at things wisely. The hermit is also telling you that there is some kind of soul searching. It's also somebody who wants to be alone. It's also somebody who wants to find the solution of a problem alone. You don't want to be with someone right now. This card also indicates loneliness, being alone, trying to find your way alone, not wanting to be with people. So those are the messages that I get, and both are upright because they are towards you, and I'm going to take them upright, not reversed. So it's almost dealing now. I get a lot of water sign energy. I get a lot of emotions. I'm not going to say water sign energy. I don't know. I don't feel like air signs are dealing with water sign. You could be dealing with a water sign, or there could be a water sign entering your life, and that person will be important. But here I get is a lot of emotions. So in September, be careful of your emotions. I feel you'll get very emotional in September. But I also feel it's you were dealing with a lot of emotions. So probably the message here is, what I get is, in business especially, or in a job, when you are in a top position, top designation, just be careful about your emotions. Okay, emotions, probably that's the message, that don't just make impulsive decisions, because a lot of people's career depends on you people, or when you're at the top position. So just be careful and make decisions. Take decisions wisely. Maybe that's why I got this wisdom card. So probably you will also feel like a king and a queen. I don't know why I get the word conceited. I don't want you to be conceited. I don't want you to be a little bratty about the designation or the situation. I want you to work well with your colleagues, and especially your juniors, is what I get. This card almost jumped out. I'm going to take this. It's King of Pentacles. So a lot of you are going to either it's mostly King of Pentacles. I don't know why, but I get a lot of business work here. It's like getting business done. It's also saying the words none of your business. So I don't want you to do that to your employees. It's almost commanding. I get those words. It's good to be commanding. It's good to be in control of your business, but it's also not good to behave with people like that. I feel you will be tempted to do it. I know it's either that it will be your recent position, or you'll be on, you'll get a lot of money, and that's what it will make you feel. But I want you to be very gentle with the people you work, because most of the kings, I get King of Pentacles, I get King of Cups, and I got Queen of Cups. So that's the feeling that I get. You will feel like a king of the world, but don't let it get into your head. Maybe that's why I got the Wisdom card. Guys, I interpret my tarot very differently. I have not learned tarot. I'm a psychic reader. So those are the messages, and very different messages that I get every time. King of Pentacles. Sorry, Knight of Pentacles is here, okay? Some kind of a news with somebody, a visitor coming in, some messages coming in September, which are important to you, also will be related to Earth sign, and Earth sign will be bringing you good news. Probably it could be in a relationship or otherwise. I feel Earth sign will be bringing you news of money coming in, or some important letter. So you're going to get good news from an Earth sign, is what I get. Also get number 4, number 3, and number 6 are going to be important for you during this time. Let's see what are the other messages for you guys. What are the other messages for the fire signs, Aries, Leo, and Sagittarius? What should I tell you guys? What messages that I should channel? Yes, guys, I've not been feeling well. My throat is totally gone, so I cannot shout right now. I hope you guys is getting recorded well. Yes, wanting to be alone, like I said, because that's why we got the Hermit card. Wanting to be on your own. I don't want to say it again, but be careful. It's like pride getting into your head. I don't know why I get that with those cards that I got previously. It's wanting to work alone. That will also set in. Not wanting to work with people. So just be careful in September. Don't tick off people. Don't tick off your employees, or don't make them feel like you're the king and they have no say in it. Don't make them feel like that. That's what I get. I feel like making decisions alone. That's what you want to do. Losing strength somewhere. So if you're going to work alone, naturally you cannot climb the mountain alone. You can climb the mountain alone, but it's always good to work with people. You climb it faster and sooner and more easily and effortlessly. I want you to work with people. And your people are your strength. That's what I get. So I feel you're not going to. It's something is not going to really change in your life. This has come reversed. It's like you were renewing a situation. You wanted to start afresh with someone. You wanted to start something new. I feel if you want to start something new, fire signs, let September not be it. I don't know why I get, because September is not the time when you want to work with people. So if you want to start a business, you want to start something that involves people working with you. You need to deal with a lot of people. I would want you to do it around after September 15th, not before that, because I really feel right now you're in a mood to just work, not with people, but just you want to be left alone. Yes, there is. I feel you don't want people to come in. I get this from the rain card. It's like you don't trust people, or probably somebody's broken your trust recently. Um, in a job or in a business. I don't know why I get this. I'm getting it again. It's almost like the words backstab. So I don't know why. I don't know if it's a relationship thing. I don't get a relationship thing, but I get somebody's almost backstabbed you. You're not very happy. So things are going to be a blessing also for a lot of guys. And I feel after 15th, it's a better time if you want to start things. But this is great in September that there will be blessings coming your way, guys. And I'll have to have water because my throat is not really well. So blessings will be coming your way. Sorry, I can't help it. Not getting along well with air signs. Remember that. Fire sign not getting along well with an air sign. It's not really working with people. I don't know why. Sorry. Yeah. I really wanted to do this video because fire signs were left, but yes, I have to give the messages. Sorry for the cough and the interruptions. Somebody is going to. I feel somebody has deceived you. You do not trust people. You still think people are shifting shape. People are not what they are. I feel really a trust issue here. I don't see anything else. Once you get past this trust issue, things are going to be better for you. Remember that. Feel more messages need to be given to you. Not working with people. I told you there is no synergy. I don't know why I get with fire signs, not working with anybody at all, wanting to do things on their own. Still, even if you want to do things on your own, not being able to, take on that challenge, and you know that you need people, not working with people at all. There is no synergy between you and other people, not connecting with people. But guys, this is a brilliant card because this is blessings. Some great blessings are also on your way. Like I said in the beginning, it was all about opportunities, and opportunities starting, and a lot of doors opening for you, and the magical getaway. So beginning was pretty nice. Let me see what are the romance angels saying. These are the romance relationship cards. Let me see what messages I can give you. So somebody is going to come back from your past life. Yes, one of you, your ex will come back in September. It's going to get the person is going to get in touch with you. You're going to get in touch with your ex. I feel it's not still over in your mind. Somebody is coming back into your life from the past. So it's not going to be very soon, though. I am going to read them together. So the person coming back into your life is not going to be very soon because the card came reversed. It came towards me. But this is a past life relationship, okay? It's also a past life relationship, also feeling that somebody is coming back. It's also somebody you almost know that you've been with that person in the past life. You feel there is a soul connection. It's like almost recognizing the person when seeing it, even seeing the stranger for the first time, and thinking you've been, you really know each other very well. Some of you also feeling that, not you don't deserve love. You feel that the other person thinks you don't deserve much love, or you think you're more deserving of love. You're not getting a lot of love in your relationship. That's what I feel. So these could be different messages for you all. It could be one message, because this is not a specific reading, this is a general reading. There is a trust issue. It came up otherwise also, like I said, and this is reverse. You're not trusting people in relationships, you're not trusting people in the job, in the family, with the people you work with, your friends. There's a huge trust issue in September. I don't know why fire signs, why do I pick that up? I told you, and this trust issue has come, reversed. So, not trusting your partner. Actually, there has been a shape shifting issue. There has been deception, I feel, somewhere, and it's taking you a lot of time to actually put your trust back into people, because you think the person who's going to come new into your life will also break your trust. Is it That's the energy that I'm picking up. So I'm going to go with the energy cards because I said the word energy. Let me see. I'm going to put the romance angels aside. What what is the energy oracle saying for you? What are the cards? It's almost wanting to go away from people. It's been 2 weeks and you've been feeling like that. In September, you still feel for 2 more months. You feel like being away. Being away from from others. It's also trying to understand your journey. You know, where you are going. I don't know why, but I feel a lot of introspection is going to happen. Wondering where you're going in life. You want to feel free of something. You want to release yourself from something. It's either a contract. I get a contract. Probably you were in a job and you were under contract, and couldn't leave the job. But I get in September that contract is over. I'm getting the big word. I'm getting a big word like contract again and again, big and bold. In my mind. And you've been in that job for 14 months and over and above, and over, because I feel you're really wanting to free yourself, and you will be able to free yourself. This contract is going to come, is going to get over between two people, a company or a person. You've been facing financial constraints for 4 months. I feel this is a past card. I don't feel this is going to happen. I just want you to be careful of your finances, like I normally say. It's like almost spending too much money, and you have money, but you will get into a tendency of spending too much money and then realizing there's nothing left in the cupboard, nothing left in the vault, is what I get. Strategy. Be careful with what be careful with whatever strategies you are putting down. I want you to do your work thoroughly if you're starting something new. Okay, be wise in putting things together, because I feel you're not really planning really well. Want you to plan things really well. Anxiety, you've been anxious about something. There has been something that's been on your mind, and this is for the past 9 months, and I don't know why, but I'm not going to say it will carry on. I feel 9 more days. Whenever you hear this reading, it's adding 9 more days to that, and you'll just feel anxious. You'll worry about something. This will be this will be worrying about something that's not even this giving any cause. There's no cause you have to worry. There is no worrying thing happening in your life, but you're still going to be worried about something. You're going to be anxious about something. So whenever you hear this reading, remember to add 9 more days, and those many days something will give you worry, or it could be just in your mind. It's just wondering what are you worrying about. I get almost overthinking, just worrying about things that are not even there, or situations cooking up in your mind, and then worrying about them. So this is cooking up things. That's what I wanted to say. Yes. So those are the words: cooking up things in your mind and worrying about things that you're not supposed to worry about, that are going right in your life. So that is the reading. I want to take out one more card. I told you, you're the thinking woman right now. That's what you're going to do. You've been thinking a lot, thinking about everything. You think you have to think about everything. And that's what's worrying you. Just your thinking is worrying you. Overthinking. So I was right. That's what I wanted to take out one more card, and I don't know why, because that message was to be given to you. So don't worry about things that are not there in your life. Little small things you're going to pick up, and just for the sake of worrying, you're going to worry. So it was a beautiful read. I'm going to say it's very magical, and just trust people. I think someone has broken your trust, but trust people, and things are going to open up for you. You need to believe in magic. That's all. And I'm going to say again, just try working with people, not against them. So thank you so much for listening to me. And sorry, I was coughing in the middle of the reading, but I really wanted to complete the fire reading. This was the only one left for September. So have a beautiful September, guys, and I will upload another reading when I'm much better soon. And thank you so much. Bye.